Hello America, Tony McMillan, Walnut Ridge, Newcastle, Indiana, and you are watching Walk Through Wednesday. Today we're going to take a look at this awesome 3231 CK, absolutely one of the greatest floor plans in my opinion. I absolutely love this floor plan. This is a Montana 3231 CK. Of course, as always with your Montana products, it is a full, warranted for full-time living. It is a true four-season coach. Not only is the underbelly heated by the furnace, but it also has 12-volt heat pads. You've got magnetic holds for all of your compartment doors. Big pass-through storage compartment goes all the way through to the other side. And typically speaking, when someone owns a fifth wheel like this, you've got a great truck too. So one of the cool features about this unit, not only inside, but also accessible outside, is the central vac system. So you've got access to it out here. So let's say you've taken your family and you've went someplace that's got a beach, you've got sand all over your feet, You get in the truck, you track all that beautiful white sand into the truck. You can pull the truck up here, attach your hoses, and you can vacuum out the inside of the truck. And then I'll show you the rest of it on the inside. You've got two 30-pound LP bottles. As always, your Montanas, not only are they prepped for the rear observation camera system, but they're also prepped for the side view cameras as well. You've got a big power awning, goes all the way back to the entry door with LED lights up underneath. And because it has a campside slide, there's also an awning on your campside slide. So on this unit that measures out a little over 36 feet, almost the entire unit is under awning. You've got a big swing away grab handle right here, easy access, and of course then your solid steps. Everybody loves the solid steps. There is an accessory handle that can be added to these steps that would extend your swing away down and give you the capability that you've got access to a handrail all the way up. So if you've got bad knees, bad hips, have a cane or a walker, just to make it easily accessible. So check out the rest inside. This coach is set up with the beautiful optional cottage white interior. So you'll notice right here in your galley, you get a very rustic white look on your cabinetry, things like that. Some of the great features on your Montana, all soft close compartment or cabinet doors. You've got a flush mount floor with PVC carpeting in the bottom of it, residential refrigerator, pull out freezer down below, and everybody gets tired of lugging around bags of ice. It's got an ice maker. Solid surface countertops, big stainless steel sink, 70/30, single lever faucet with a sprayer. But then the kitchen. So here you've got a 3-burner stove and oven. You've got a pull-out trolley countertop. Nice cabinet space all down through here. So you got plenty of food prep area, electrical outlets on both sides. You've got storage space up here. But like any great infomercial, but wait, there's more. Grab a hold of this. Range hood here, extra cabinet space hidden up in there. Just absolutely super cool, great layout. Going back into the living room, we have a 4700 BTU electric fireplace down below. You've got your television that's on a pull-out and a swivel. Storage space up overhead so you can keep all your DVDs and all that stuff up there. Big trifold reclining, trifold sofa, pulls out to make a bed. Lots of cabinets up overhead. Great MCD shades on your Montana, so you have dual shades. The gray one that you can see here is a sunshade. You pull that down to keep the sun from beating inside the unit. The black one up overhead, up on top, is your nightshade, so it gives you the capability that you can block everything out at nighttime. You've got theater seats right directly across from your TV. These are powered, they are lighted, they've got all the cool stuff in them, USB chargers, cup holders, remote control storage. Your lights are dimmable. You've got your freestanding table. You have 2 permanent chairs and 2 folding chairs. The 2 folding chairs are stowed up front. Everybody loves this bathroom. Dual vanities, porcelain toilet, 1-piece fiberglass shower stall with a seat. And then up front, you've got a king-size bed. Bed lifts up for storage space. There's your attachments for your central vac system. You've got a six-bank drawer dresser, television, big sliding wardrobe up here in front, clothes hamper, and then your washer and dryer cabinet. There's your other 2 chairs. So everything stows up here in the front. Electrical outlets, USB chargers, residential refrigerator, dual air conditioners, both whisper cool, built-in inverter, all the cool stuff. True 4-season coach. Absolutely phenomenal unit, guys. Thanks for watching. Come check it out. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.